Good morning, friends, subscriber. To this vlog, we're going to clean the hanging and freezing laptop. So let's start. Let's open here. This here. The screw here. Remove this. This optical, this drive, screw inside here. Remember the screw. The screw has a different length and sizes. Take note. Stick here. Okay, slide your finger here. Here. This laptop is already loose. See now. We already open see the buildup of dust, a lot of dust. See. A lot of dust. This is the reason why sometimes your laptops are freezing and hanging due to the blockage of dirt and causes overheating. That's why you need to clean. You can use brush. You can see here there are a lot of dust. See, this is one of the process of hanging laptops because the CPU fan is not producing a correct air to cool down the unit. So you must clean this regularly, because if you neglect this simple thing, your laptop will be damaged. So be careful when cleaning and observe the component to return to its original place and positions. So this is one way of taking care your laptop and maintain its normal states and function. The CPU fan still working, so we're only just cleaning this. Be careful because this thing is very sensitive. You can use small blowers for this, not the big one, or else some small component may fly during the process. Hold the CPU pan blade so that you can clean it thoroughly. See, it will remove if you will not hold this. Hold like this and continue cleaning to familiarize the components of this laptop. So this is the RAM, the memory, and this is the optical CD drive, and this one is the CMOS battery, and this WLAN is your signal, internet. Moving here is the Ethernet socket here. See, and the other side is the USB port. See, I have several port here: USD, HDMI, USB, and the other side is the USB port 3.0 and the VGA port. Here is the hard drive slot. Here, see, this is the port connector for the HDD drive. So we have also the memory, the SD card port. So that's the basic part of a laptop. This big slot is for a battery compartment. is the old serial port. This model is Dell Latitude E6430. You can use brush and cotton buds or remove the stuck dirt. Be careful not to touch the connections and small component. Now the cleaning process is done. Now we're going to close and tighten the screw here, 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 and here. So and we're going to return this CD drive. Just slide and push. See, ready? Returned. Also the other one. This CD drive. Simple as that. See? Push. And that's it. We're going to test the unit. See? Latitude is 6430. See? Now we have a screen. On the screen appear asking for a password. Now the program is loaded on the screen, meaning we have a successful cleaning process. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.